Welcome everyone to the channel Competitive Today we are going to do MCQs regarding static GK. It will be a practice session and this is set 2. So let's begin the session. Audience, all the SSC aspirants, railway aspirants, aspirants of other state exams, any other state public service commission examination or other one-day examination, for all these aspirants this session will be beneficial. Okay. So the first question, India played its first pink ball day and night cricket test match against. So your correct answer is option B, Bangladesh. Clear? So here it is. The test match was played between India and Bangladesh on 22nd of November 2019. And one more important fact, Australia and New Zealand played a test match for the first time with the pink ball in November 2015. Next question, the fear of heights is known as. So your answer is option A, acrophobia. Clear? Now, people with acrophobia, they may experience panic attacks in high places and they become too excited to lower themselves safely. Clear? Now, next question, Sudarshan Lake was an artificial reservoir built in dash during the reign of Maurya. So, Sudarshan Lake was built in Gujarat. Your correct answer is option B, Gujarat. So, here it is explanation. Sudarshan Lake is located in Girnar of Gujarat. Okay. It was constructed during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya and the lake was created to facilitate irrigation facilities, okay, in the fields. Clear? Next question, which ghat connects Mumbai with Pune? So your answer is option A, Bhor Ghat. Clear? Now, Bhor Ghat is a major pass in the Sahyadri mountains of Western Ghats range, which is located in peninsular India. Now this Bhor Ghat is located between Karjat and Khandala in the state of Maharashtra, and the Mumbai-Pune road passes through this pass and it connects Mumbai to many other South Indian cities. One more important fact, Thalghat Pass is also in Maharashtra. Clear? Now, National Dairy Development Board Act was implemented in the year. So be very serious in this. Here it is mentioned Act. Okay. Now the Act was implemented in 1987. So your answer for this question is option B, 1987. But the National Dairy Development Board was established in 1965. So please remember this. So here it is, the National Development Board was established in 1965 and the present chairman of the board is Shri Minis Shi Saha. He was appointed on 1st June 2021 till present. Okay, and prior to this was Varsha Joshi and her period was from 1st December 2020 to 31st of May 2021. Clear? Now, Lavani dance is related to which state? So, your correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Clear? Now, it is the most popular and famous folk dance form of Maharashtra. The style of this dance is suitable for displaying emotions like valor, love, devotion and sorrow. Music, poetry, dance and drama all make up the Lavani dance. Okay. And the word Lavani is derived from the word Lavanya and it means beauty. Clear? Means beauty. Next question. The term memory in computer science is related to. So your answer is option A, storage. Okay. The term memory in computer science is related to storage. Now, one more important question, that temporary memory is known as RAM. Full form is random access memory. Clear? And the permanent memory is known as ROM. Its full form is read only memory. Clear? Keep it in mind. Next question. Where was the annual session of Congress held in 1907? So it was held in Surat. So your answer is option C, Surat. Now in 1907, the annual session of the Congress was held in Surat. And one more important event happened on that date. The partition at the Surat session in 1907, and it split the Indian National Congress in two parties. One, the radical, and the second was the moderate, which we call liberal. In the Surat session 1907, the extremists wanted either Rai or Tilak as the presidential candidate, but the moderates supported Ghosh for the presidential nomination. Okay. Next question. What is the annual premium payable under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? So the annual premium under this yojana is your rupees 12. Answer is option B, rupees 12. Okay. So the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So what is the age limit for this yojana? It is 18 to 70 years. Okay. Please keep in mind 80 to 70 years. And the annual premium for this is rupees 12. Your next question, who invented vitamins? So your correct answer is option B, Casimir Funk. He invented vitamins. So the term vitamin was coined in 1912 by the Polish biochemist Casimir Funk. Other two inventors are, the inventor of television is John Logie Baird, and the inventor of telephone is Alexander Graham Bell. Okay, please keep this also in mind. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel and share with your groups and friends. Learn in this way and get closer to your destination. Happy learning from Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.